Now let me make this very clear about the Coresky airdrop, which a lot of us are into. All right, so Coresky airdrop is almost here, just like they have announced one day ago. The airdrop is coming, but one thing which I'm not happy to announce is that a lot of us are not going to be getting this airdrop, because we think we are doing the right thing just by coming over here every single day to check in just like this. We think we are doing the right thing by just coming in to check every day, and for that we are going to be getting airdrop. No, through this you are not going to be getting any airdrop. Now pay close attention. Let me explain to you how you can be able to be eligible for this airdrop. All this point that you are claiming right here, they are not going to be giving you any airdrop for that. So right now, pay close attention. Let me teach you how you can be able to qualify, and also teach you the eligibility criteria for this Coresky airdrop. All right, so once you use the link right there on the video description box to create your account, this is what you are going to be seeing right here. All right, and before we proceed with the video, please, if this is your first time coming across my channel and you haven't subscribed yet, or you are just coming across my channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel so that you'll be updated regularly on all things crypto. We talk about how to make money in the crypto space for free, and how to make money through a lot of highly potential airdrops. So do well to join the family to stay updated always. Also, the link to our Telegram is right there on the video description box. Make sure to check it out to join our Telegram community. All right, so with that said, let's now continue. So once you have gotten yourself to this point on your Coresky airdrop, what you are required to do here is, of course, follow the join the Discord, follow the Twitter account, and of course check in daily. That's what we know that we are supposed to do, but there are more to it. We can also refer people, but the major thing which you need to do, which is going to be making you eligible for this airdrop, is through what we call voting, and also through what we call meme key and diamond. So right now, pay close attention. I will explain. Okay, so over here guys, this is where you can track the how you were able to earn stuff right here. But the most important thing that you need to do right here is through what we call voting. So when you click on vote for meme projects right here, I will click on it, and once I click on it right now, a list of projects which I can be able to vote on is going to be brought out. So for you to be able to vote, you need the points, which are the points that you are getting by checking in daily and also referring people and following their account on the social media. So right now guys, for you to be able to vote right here, you click over here on vote, and once you click on vote, they are going to show you your total balance right here. Right now you are required to vote. So right now, for example, I'll be voting with 500 points right here. Okay, 500 points. I will click on vote right now. So right now I have successfully voted for this project. You can go ahead and scroll down to other projects so that you can cast more votes. Okay, so over here right now, for example, right now I want to vote for Paper Official. This is example right now, so I have to vote again. For example, I will vote another 500 stars points like this. I'll click on vote, and immediately the voting is going to be going through. So right now, why is voting very important? Voting is very important because this point that you are earning right here, they are totally nothing. The only way that you can make use of this point that you are getting is only for you to vote. And voting, as they have said right here already, actually qualifies you for the airdrop. So after all the explanation right here, they went ahead to make it clear that voters are eligible for airdrop. So if you have ever voted, then get ready, because you are going to be receiving airdrop. So now that goes off. Now over here guys, they also talked about meme keys, and over here they say that each $1 that you spend on buying meme key is going to be earning you 1 Coresky diamonds. And right now they went ahead to say that even holding the Coresky diamond and how long and how much you are holding actually multiplies your airdrop reward. So right now I will explain. Now, where are the Coresky diamonds? So the Coresky diamond is when you get here right now, then you click over here on trade. Okay, so once you click on trade right now, you are going to be brought right here, and when you look over here right now, you can see we have a total of the $0 keys right now. So how do you actually get these keys? So these projects right here which are available for trading are the keys, and once you buy maybe $1 worth of any key right here, you are now going to be getting $1 worth of meme keys. And now, according to what they said right here, okay, according to what they say right here, they went ahead to say that one key is equivalent to one diamond. So like they say right here, say why choose meme key? For every one USDT spent on meme key, you will receive one Coresky diamond, meaning that $1 is equal to one diamond, and holding diamond actually multiplies your reward. Okay, so they went ahead to say that there are a total of 100 million Coresky keys. This is indirectly telling you that $100 million is what they're gonna have in total according to the strategy that they have right here. So over here they went ahead to say that 100 million over here right now. Okay, they say that you will receive Coresky diamond equivalent to the USDT value of the key you purchase, and they say that 100 million airdrop tokens equals total diamond supply with an exchange rate of 1:1, meaning that each key that you have, you are going to be swapping it. You are going to be getting equivalent in diamond, and the diamond that you are getting is going to be converted in the ratio of 1:1 with your airdrop, meaning that buying one USD worth of any key is equivalent for you getting one diamond, and one diamond is like one a unit of the total airdrop which is available. Now right now, pay close attention. So they went ahead to tell you that the weight of your key actually matters. But before we talk about the weight and the timing, let's talk about how to be able to acquire these keys. To be able to acquire these keys, you need to come over here to this Coresky over here that you can trade. So like I told you guys earlier, these tokens right here are your keys, and whichever amount that you buy actually reflects right here, and it's in turn going to be reflecting here that we have your diamond. Okay, so this is your key right here, and of course this is your diamond. And remember that each ever dollar worth of key that you purchase actually determines the amount of diamond that you're going to get in, and one diamond is going to be converted in the ratio of 1:1 with the total airdrop which everyone is going to be receiving. Okay, so right now guys, I will go ahead and click on, for example, I'll be trading the less expensive one right here. You can see these ones at the top are very expensive, so I need to go down to the bottom. So let me find the least expensive right here. So we have this one going for this is 0.01 Ethereum. Let me go for something very minimal. Okay, so this is right here. We have the minimum one right here to be 0.02. okay, we have 0.01 right here. Okay, so you need to find the one that you can be able to purchase, right? So we have 0.01 BNB right here. So let me click on trade right now. So over here, you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure that you read it, not just reading it, do your own research before you take step on anything we do right here. So I will click on agree and continue right now. So over here right now, you are going to be required to select the amount that you want to buy. Okay, so you can see this is the current price 0.01. So I have to set the slippage right now. Okay, so over here right now, let me just put something like this, 1%. Let me click on buy right now. So this is going to be, this is going to be, popping up your MetaMask transaction, asking you to actually confirm the transaction. Okay, so right now I need to unlock my wallet real quick, and over here right now you can see that I'm now going to be required to have enough BNB, but over here on my airdrop wallet I do not have enough BNB to make the purchase. Okay, so right now I'm going to be canceling this right now. But remember, if you buy, maybe for example right now you buy $1 worth of BNB, it means that you are going to be getting if you buy $5 worth of BNB with if you use $5 worth of BNB to buy this meme key called Sunburn right now, you are also going to be getting $5, that is 5 diamond, because $1 worth of key is equal to 1 diamond. I believe you're understanding this. If you do not understand it, feel free to rewind the video and get to listen again so that you understand better. So this is how you get your diamond, and remember the diamond is going to be used to exchange for your for your airdrop. Okay, so right now I will go back right now, and when I click over here that we have create a meme project, you can see right here that you are going to be able to create your own token if you want to create it. But let's talk about something much more interesting. So I will click over here right now on get more points. Once you click on get more points, you are going to be brought back right here. Okay, so remember that we have this spin right here where you can actually earn even more rewards. So right now we go ahead and check out the airdrop. So I will click on airdrop right now. So once I click on airdrop, I'm going to be brought right here, and if you look closely, you can see that the 1,000 points which I used to vote is now counted right here. And of course, this is where we have the QR question and answers rather. So over here, this actually shows the amount of key you have already owned, and over here right now there are important questions that we need to find out right here. So over here right now you can see they say right here, will there be a snapshot for the airdrop? Let's go ahead and find out. And over here they say that a public snapshot will be taken before the token generation event with advance notice via official announcement. Only users holding valid diamond at the snapshot time will be considered for the airdrop. Now we have two eligibility criteria for the Coresky airdrop, which the first one is users who vote are eligible for the airdrop, and also users who are holding diamond are also going to be eligible for the airdrop. All right, so remember the snapshot is going to be taken before the token generation event. Okay, so make sure that you are holding enough diamond, and also make sure that you have voted enough so that you can be able to not just be eligible for the Coresky airdrop but receive a higher airdrop reward. All right, so this is the information that I have to pass to you guys concerning this Coresky airdrop. So if you have any question, feel free to reach out to me through the comment section, and I'll be there to answer you immediately. All right, so this is what we have right now, and I will talk to you guys on the next video dropping very soon, where I'll be giving more details about the airdrop that we all are participating on. All right, so thank you so much for watching, and do have a lovely day. I will talk to you on the next video dropping very soon.